Hey, welcome to YouTube. Welcome to another Stock Talk Daily Analysis. I'm going to be covering all the stocks I talked to you about yesterday, and I'm going to be going over the stocks that were doing good for today. I actually did really good trading CRWD, trading SQ, trading SC. I had huge gains. My calls were at least 100%, 150. So I had a really good day, and I told you from yesterday that this was the stocks I was holding on to. And again, I already sold CRWD and I'm holding on to SQ and SC for tomorrow, and also I'm holding gold. Now I'm gonna be showing you a different system today. This is actually from E-Trade. E-Trade lets you see after hours, which is a reason I'm here is because SQ had a huge jump from let's see, this closed at 128 and it's jumped to 131, which was a 3% increase, and it puts us right above this medium support line right here, which you can easily tell hits it over many times. Consolidates right here actually, and it goes over, and we go over once again after hours, which means that tomorrow morning we're going to be seeing huge increases for SQ. This is a great stock for tomorrow. And obviously, I've talked about this stock before. You can always watch my other videos. But we have another top support line right here, where it just goes under. It hits it many times, and we definitely broke that. And that's actually when I bought again. We were going over, and so SQ, great stock for tomorrow. And what I think is going to happen for tomorrow, I think we're definitely going to be seeing 135. We're going to be retesting the all-time high. And if it likes it, we're going to be going at 138 to where I definitely want to sell 138. I don't want a chance. I just want to sell and move on to another stock. And when this comes back down, I'll rebuy SQ. That's just my analysis on the SQ. I'm going to go to SE right now. SE is a little harder to chart. I have many lines going crazy, but you can tell how we have a little triangle right here. And we definitely broke this top support line where it just kept crashing. We went over, succeeded, hit this bottom support line. Well, I would say medium support line, went back down and started condensating over here and then back to this bottom support line to where I think tomorrow we're going to be hitting 121 and hopefully 123 and 127 in the future. But you know, I wouldn't hold my breath. I would definitely do 123 still around here. But if it breaks this really quick, we might see 127. SE made me a lot of money, so I love on this stock. You can see where I bought at 9:30, at 114, and right now we're at 118. And I'm hoping to sell around 121, 123. And actually have four calls. You can see where I bought four calls right there. So you know, that's a lot of money to be made. Next, we have gold. Oh my gosh. I've been telling you guys about gold is super predictable right now. Look at this. Look at these easy lines right here. We have the top, medium, bottom support line. So the bottom support line is very steady. It hits it over and over again. If you're buying here, whenever you see a hit here, just keep buying it. So what I expect for tomorrow, I think we're just gonna hit this medium line again at 187, and I want to sell somewhere around 190. I want to get to that point where I'm pretty confident we're gonna be seeing 190 very soon. Gold has been just going up and up over the last actually couple of years. So as long as this keeps going up and this does not break this bottom support line, then gold is definitely a go-to right now. I'm gonna get off um, E-Trade and go back to my charts to trading view. Right now we have Netflix. Like I said, I'm not touching Netflix right now. I'm not touching Netflix till it hits 477. I just don't think that it's gonna hit 509 before it hits 577, 576 around this area. It looks like it's going down anyways. But you know, things do change very quickly. But I just don't think. I think we're just definitely gonna be hitting 476 for Netflix. Very predictable pattern. You can see where the top support line is, the mediums, and it's super low right here. But yeah, it's definitely too high up here. When it goes over like this, you're gonna see some movement going down. Next we have Microsoft. Um, I love the neon green lights. This is a stock I'm not really trading right now. I'm waiting for. It is very low. If it goes over, then I won't buy it here. I know we just don't know if it's gonna go over. It does look like it could break this green line, and it is breaking it right now, and go over and meet this medium support line, and eventually, you know, see if it goes under or if it goes over, and you know, test the high again at 215. That's just a quick analysis for Microsoft. I'm not really trading right now. I just want to clarify where we really are. It's kind of just out there. Next we have Apple. Same thing with Apple. It's really just out there. It broke this bomb support line, which was huge. I mean, this is just ongoing. It broke it. It broke it. And from what I'm seeing, it wants to test where it kept hitting here. So we want to test 389, and from there, if it does break 389, it's gonna literally shoot right back up to literally 400. It wants to go back to 400, but it did break that bottom support line. So I wouldn't hold my breath. So I think most likely it might do something like this, where it might just barely touch it and shoot back down. So I'm setting up Apple right now. AMD, I've been telling you guys to hold AMD. If you guys don't know what stock to hold or what move to play, AMD just shut up 13% in one day. I think we woke up at 13 or 14% up here. So AMD was a great choice. And I told you guys yesterday how it's like, it's just moving up here, up and down, but it's not really dropping, which is a good sign. It's very, very high, which means we're gonna just keep seeing new and new highs. And like I said, I think AMD is gonna hit 100. I don't know when, but it's gonna hit 100 very, very soon. Next we have CRWD. I bought this stock literally somewhere around here, 98, and I sold it today at 112. Um, yeah, I sold it at 112, which was literally this green line. I didn't think it was gonna make it over, but it did go over. So most likely we can expect 128, 130, which is really good, really good buy. But I sold it just because it likes to play between these two lines a lot. So I'm gonna take my profit, and I like to buy things at the bottom line. So if it goes again to 106, that's where we'll make another entry into the stock, and hopefully hopefully it goes up. For those holding it, I think I want to buy somewhere lower, because right now I have all my money invested in SQ, and luckily enough it went up after hours. And lastly, we have Tesla, again another stock I'm not really touching. Uh, it does not want to break this white line. If it has tried it here and here, and maybe we might even try it again tomorrow. But the good thing is it keeps going up. So if we break this purple line, we will very quickly go over and go above the white line and have huge gains for Tesla. But I'm really not holding my breath for Tesla. It's just because they already had a huge push, and I think before anything happens, I think we might see something like this before we go up to 1200. So anyways, wow, that's my video for all the stocks I've been talking about. Let me know what you think, and give me some feedback. But thanks for watching, guys. I definitely appreciate you guys making comments, giving me likes, subscriptions, and definitely sharing this video if you guys can with your friends and stock twit. So just whatever you guys want to do with it. But if you like this video, thumbs up. Thanks for watching.